August 9th. Pleasant evening. Real pleasant. I gotta start getting out a little bit earlier though. I keep forgetting now that it gets darker a little bit sooner. Woo! Something's pushing all that mullet over there. Whoa! Oh! Oh! There we go. Woo! that's got to be a little jack or something right there. That's what that feels like. Yeah. Oh! Oh no! I thought he let it go. Whoop! Let's get the net because it's gonna be a lot easier with these guys. Woo! Woo! Throwing a bucktail. I forgot to show y'all. Yeah, it looks like a jack. Yep, just a little baby jack. Nothing impressive. I've caught bigger ones here, but let's get them in. There we go. I'll have to get a new one. This is a new net. I just don't like it. I do not like it. Come on. You know, if I can't get them out quick, what's the purpose, right? Come on. Oh, he's caught. That's why. Okay, he's caught on the net. There we go. Here, buddy. Come here. Ah, don't fin me, bro. Don't fin me. Oh, okay. The net's caught on the hook. There we are. Oh, bam. That'll make it fun. They just won't. They are fun, but he just won't stay still. He's on the plus side. He's got a lot of kick, and as always, we fish barbless. Bloop. In the water he goes. He's off with a scurry. Oh no, that's weeds. Oh, what is? Woo! little ladyfish came skying out. Woo! Woo! Hopefully he doesn't lose. Hopefully I don't lose my lure. Stay down there. I'm gonna try and keep him down. I don't want him jumping, losing my lure. Woo! 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 All right. Maybe we will stay on this side. I don't know. We're already here. We'll see. Yeah. Even a little ladyfish. Even a little ladyfish loves to pull. Woo! Or is this a? This may not be a ladyfish. I thought it was the way it came up. Oh, what is it? What is it? No, it's a lady. I think it's a lady. I don't think it's a bluefish. Woo. Yeah, it's a lady. Woo. Come here. Come here, you. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. All right. There we go. That's a decent little lady. Woo. All right. Yeah. Yes. Stocky fish. Oh, all right. My bucktail was barely in there. All right, let's worry about the bucktail later. Let's get the lady loose. Come here, you. Come here. Woo, stocky. I haven't had my hands on one this stocky in a while. There you go. We're not really gonna measure it. Not too important. So there you go. And 1, 2. Okay, just so you know, that's not cruel. That little jump start in there like that's really good for their gills. So nobody criticized me on that one. Woo! Oh, that was a good tap. I missed it. Nuts. That was a good tap. Uh-oh. Okay, that was some junk. I thought I thought my bucktail or something came off. Maybe there was some junk on the lure I missed. Oops. Come here, you. Oh no! That's what it was. Oh no! The top of my no, the button for my drag. That's what came off. Oh no! Oh well. Oh well. Oh no, this is not good. This is not going to be good. Oh no. Oh no. Come here, you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That is not good. And it's too deep and dark to even bother going swimming for it. I was like, huh, wonder what came off. Well, now we know. If anything, we'll make it a fly night. Oh well. Let's see if we can still fish this without the we probably can. We just have to be a little more careful. Well, not gonna be much in the way of adjusting the drag. I don't know if I can even buy parts for this. Oh well. God, that is funny. Oh, I mean it's terrible because now it's plastic and it's something in the water. Oh, dang it! Come on now, hit it right at the end. Before we do, I will spin it around and show y'all my view. You had that beautiful blue sky and blue-gray cloud behind me. That's what I'm looking at. Beautiful orange sky. All right. Let's go catch some fish. I completely forgot. I could have measured those two earlier. It's the first time I brought a yardstick. I got a yardstick behind me. I forgot I had it until I put up on the island to change things. Oh yeah. All right. What do we got? Feels like a nice little jack. Woo! Oh. Running at me. Well, we can put that yardstick to use now. Woo! Oh, it decided it did not want to be here. Oh, no, no, no. Don't get wrapped up in that anchor. Don't you even think about that. Woo! Let's get a little more my anchor line here. Woo! No, 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 no. Oh, man. This is a decent little jack here. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. Almost. Oh, my God. He's so small. I thought he was bigger. Oh. You know what? Let's just get him in. Well, let's just get him in. Woo! I thought he was bigger. Woo! He was pulling hard. Woo! Woo! So there you go. Even the little ones. Doing a little grunt thing. Here you go. Got the yardstick this time. Don't fit me, bro. We're good. All right. There you go. All right. Well, not really sure where we want to count it from, but what is that? That's to the, we'll count it at the fork. How's that? Because I'm not sure where you count these things. So there you go. What is he about? At the fork, he's 11. And otherwise, well, nope, sorry. Tip of the tail, 11. My bad. Tip of the tail, 11. He's a tiny one. Come here. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Woo. Look good. Where's that? There we go. It's like a double hook. There you go. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a lady. No, 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 no. Don't sky, because you're going to lose my lure. All right. Woo. Woo. No, no. They love to do that. They sky. Beautiful jumps. Okay. You know what? That has actually scuffed my line, and I don't feel like retying, and I don't want to lose it. So we're going to move just a little bit. I want to try my luck with the fly rod. Let's see if we can get something on before we got to go back. Put 3 in the boat. It was a good night. Lost that ladyfish on the jump, but it's good times. So until next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.